Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video also I'm going to paint something very simple like we did for last two videos. So we have painted these flowers and pretty simple and easy steps to paint. If you want, you can get a link into my description section for these flowers as well. So let's start with today's video. Similar kind of concept and very simple flower to paint. So I'm filling my brush with the help of lemon yellow color, and at the tip I'm using red color. So when you use two different color, you will get a nice transition of color into one single stroke. And because these are the flowers which is in a group, so basically we need to replicate small flowers which are in a group, basically creating a string of flower which is hanging as well. So I'm creating these small petals, but make sure you're also creating small negative space in between. So that is something important because we are going to paint a middle stem as well. So to create these petals, you can create couple of petals little bigger and few little smaller, and here and there small spikes of petals you can create so that you can see these as a small flower in a string. So basically we are not creating exactly a single flower or multiple flowers. We are trying to replicate it, creating these in a group. Now you can create something like this, and then at the end you can also go side by side creating some spikes with similar color, and see how beautiful the color transition is because we have loaded two different color. Now let's create one more string. Likewise you can create as many as you want. So let's do it again. So I am repeating the same process, loading two different color. I have used yellow and red, but you can use your own colors, but make sure you are filling your brush with lighter shade, and at the tip you can use darker color, otherwise you will not be able to see the result. So likewise I have created one more string. Now with the help of green color we are going to create small stems in between negative space that we have. Also we are going to create substring as well to connect all the flowers together, so that this should look like in a group. And these small detailing is important because when you zoom it you will feel it is absolutely needed. So with the help of green color I am going to create small stem in between and substem as well to connect all the flowers. And you can also create small leaf kind of pattern in between at the tip of this particular string towards the base. So those kind of things you can try with the help of green color. By the way, today is Holi in India and people are celebrating it, so I'm very sorry if you are getting little disturbance or background music because of that. And those who do not belong from India, Holi is basically a festival of colors, and basically people dance with music and all those things. So that is why it is a little disturbing today, but it is okay. I think I'm very clear and audible as well. So I have repeated the same thing for the second string as well, creating some green element in between, creating stems, creating some leaf kind of pattern at the base towards the tip of this string. So these things you can try. These are the smaller detailing which is needed, I guess. And then we are going to paint some leaf for today's video. So with the help of green color for this particular painting, I'm going to paint some bigger leaves. So I have mixed lemon yellow and cobalt blue color, and with this particular color you can paint some bigger leaves. You can create a leaf like this, or you can create two strokes and combine those two strokes together to create a leaf kind of pattern. You can keep little space in between, or you can keep it opaque as well, totally up to you. These kind of things you can try by your own. You can definitely modify the leaf pattern as well, because anyways these are the imaginary flower. I don't know if these flowers really exist or not, but for me it is an imaginary flower for now. So I have created multiple leaves, and you can use little bit red color at the tip of your brush to get little brown kind of pattern around the edge of the leaf. And these kind of things you can definitely try. And you can also change the color of green as well. So I'm using yellow green color now, so I have mixed more yellow into my green to make it yellow green, so I'm seeing more yellow. So definitely different kind of green you can try to create and make it in a group. So we have created something like this. For now this is the first layer of green color, and I'm also thinking to have one more string of flower, just to finish it. I think the flowers are a little lesser, so I'm adding one more string quickly. So nothing fancy, we are repeating the exactly same thing. So let me quickly create one more string of flower, and then we are going to jump into the next step. We are almost done with today's video. Just finishing touch here and there around the leaf area that is needed. Rest other things we are almost done. So let's quickly create one more string. Now last thing we can try is mixing more blue into the existing green color to make it a little darker, and then just go around the edge of the existing leaf that you have to create a folded kind of pattern. You can add more leaves with the darker color, so that there is some kind of overlapping between the leaf, and you can make the leaf structure a little bushier also with this particular step. So keep doing it until you are satisfied, but don't overdo, as I always said. So make this structure a little bushier, but we need to see the previous leaf pattern as well, so don't hide those leaves. And that's all we needed for today's video. Hope this video is easy and simple to follow, and please do let me know if you have any kind of feedback for me. And thank you so much for watching. See you all in the next video.